Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can mute or unmute voiceover speech on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings you can swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. In here, tap on VoiceOver, and then you can tap on VoiceOver to switch it on or turn it off. Now before we switch it on, you can also go down and tap on Commands, and then tap on All Commands, or you can tap on Touch Gestures Commands. In here you can see if I go down and I can go to the three fingers by default. To toggle mute, you can you can use three fingers and double tap on the screen to toggle between mute and unmute. So what we do is we go back to VoiceOver, and then I'll turn on VoiceOver.
VoiceOver on, Settings, Accessibility, Back button.
Now you can see here when I turn on VoiceOver, if I tap on certain items on the screen, it will read that item aloud.
Speech, button, Braille, button.
Now if I want to quickly mute the speech, I can double tap with three fingers like this.
Speech off.
So now it says speech off, and if I touch on item now, it will not speak out the item name. And if I double tap with three fingers, it will turn on speech.
Speech, voiceover recognition. Tap once to select an item.
And that's how you can switch it on or off with three fingers by double tapping on the screen.
Speech off.
Now, if you turn on zooming feature while using VoiceOver, you need to triple tap instead. So here you can see if I go into zoom and turn on zoom, this time if I double tap, it will zoom in or zoom out instead of turning on or off the voice speech. So you will need to triple tap instead. So here 1, 2, 3.
Speech on.
1, 2, 3.
Speech off.
And you can see if I triple taps, it will allow me to switch the speech on or off. And if you're having a problem with turning off VoiceOver, you can also press and hold on the side button here to use Siri. Turn off VoiceOver.
Okay, VoiceOver is now off.
And this will allow you to completely turn off VoiceOver. Sometimes you may turn on VoiceOver and you don't know how to switch it off. Well, you can use Siri to help you turn off VoiceOver, and then your phone will not speak aloud of the items you tap on the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.